In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Track123 to Shopify. First, we'll install the Track123 app from the Shopify App Store. Open your Shopify admin and navigate to Apps. From there, use the search field to find Track123. When you land on the Track123 app page, click Add App or Install and follow the on-screen prompts. The app will request permissions to integrate with your store, which is normal. Track123 needs access to orders and fulfillment data, so it can display tracking information to your customers. Grant the permissions and complete the installation. After a successful install, take a moment to open the app from the apps list and skim the setup or welcome screens. This helps confirm the app is active and gives you a chance to note any store-specific options the app offers, like customizing tracking text or appearance. Next, add a tracking page link to your store navigation so customers can easily find it. In Shopify Admin, go to Content and then Menus. Choose either your main menu or your footer menu, depending on where you want the link to appear. Click Add Menu Item, and for the name, enter something clear and customer-friendly, such as Track My Order or Order Tracking. For the link, paste the Track123 URL. If you're using the default path, that will be /apps-track123. But if you customize the Track123 URL inside the app, use your custom path instead. After adding the link, click Add and then Save Menu to push the change live. Once saved, always test the link on your storefront. Open your live site and click the new menu item to make sure it opens the Track123 page and that it looks right on both desktop and mobile. If it doesn't show up immediately, try clearing your browser cache or checking that the correct menu was edited. It's also worth adjusting the menu name if you think something shorter or more descriptive would work better for your audience. Finally, if Track123 includes additional configuration options inside its app settings, for example, branding, email templates, or tracking widget behavior, spend a few minutes customizing those to match your store. That's everything you need to install Track123 and add a dedicated tracking page link so customers can check their orders easily. Follow these steps and you'll have order tracking visible and professional in no time.